Hello and welcome to JEKCA Checker. In this video I do a little review on the Eclectus Parrot which I built the last week. And as always, first let's do some hard facts. The measurement of this bird is a height of 22.1 centimeters, a width of 14.4 centimeters, and in the depth we have 7.5 centimeters. In this bird are 441 bricks and 709 screws. It took me around 140 minutes or 2 1/3 of an hour to build it. Incomplete, we have 146 steps, which means 103 main steps and 43 side steps, 6 for the beak and 37 for the tail. Like most of the JEKCA birds, it's a complete symmetrical build. As you can see, it can be just mirrored. Very interesting is that the perch at this time has a little offset of the vertical part, which is great for the shelf, but for the build you always have to hold up your hand beneath the perch if you have to press on some bricks. So this horizontal perch would not get too much stress. It's a very colorful bird. It's a female bird. The males are green and the colors are very good pointed out. It is a nice colorful spot in the shelf if you got some more birds. And I really like this bird. But one thing which is not so nice, let me show it to you. Okay, maybe I have to rearrange the camera. So this is my JEKCA Gala. And the Eclectus has in the nature the same size as a Gala, or just round, but weighs twice the time of a Gala. And I really would have liked, because this is not a too complicated bird with too many details, if they made it on the real natural size like the Gala. So I would say the Gala is almost 1:1 scale, and this is a 1:2 scale. This is the only point where I have to complain. For me personal, it's too short, but for a little build in between, it's great. It can be done on just an evening with 2 1/3 of an hour, and it really looks nice. So this is everything for the moment. If you got some questions, please write it down in the comments. If you like this video, please give a thumb up. And I really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. This will really help me out. See you soon on JEKCA Checker.